In this video, I will show you how I made this beautiful wrap skirt. It is inspired by the pictures at the side. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel, Sew with Agnes. You can either tie it at the side or at the back. Both ways are beautiful. I have 4 yards of Ankara fabric, so let's do some calculation. My waist measurement is 36 inches. The bust span is 8 inches. So 8 plus 4 inches, the 4 inches is for the wrap, this is 12. The bust span is nipple to nipple, one part of your nipple to the other. So 36 plus 12 inches is 48. So the 48, I'll divide it by 3.14, which is the formula for half circle. So I have 15.2 inches, approximate it to 15.5 inches. So the length for the skirt is 39 inches plus 1 inch, that is 40. The 1 inch is for the hemming. So 40 plus the 15.5 inches, that is 55.5. So this is what I'll fold now. So to fold, this is sample of how you fold. This is the width and this is the length. You fold it like this. So since it's an half circle, you fold it again like a cone, like I'm illustrating, like a cone, like this. So this is what I've folded now. So I folded it, but since it's an Ankara fabric, Ankara is in 45 inches, so we don't have up to the 55.5. So I'll cut another fabric that I will use to join other down parts. So I've cut this out to join it at the down part. I pin it down so that it can rest well for me to cut. So from that top, I'll measure the radius, which is 15.5 inches, and from the radius I'll go by 2 inches for the band, then I'll mark the length. So at this part I noticed that the Ankara I cut out is not enough. Does it reach that area? See this part? So I have to cut another one. So I've cut out another one that will be long enough to full the whole area where it's half. So I'm marking now the length of 40 inches. That is, I went up by 2 inches for the band. Then I'm marking now the at the radius. Then I'm marking the length now of 40 inches. Yes. So I'll cut now. I'll go up by half inch the radius, then cut out the length. So I'll close that end, then I'll join this one like this. I'll join it like that. I'll join them. Then for the lining, I'll use this leftover satin. I'll place it like this. It's not enough. I didn't have enough lining at home now, so I'll use this one that is available. So I lay the waist like this and I'll cut. So after cutting, this is how it looks. I notice it's so short, so I join this other color. Yes, I have it, so I don't want to buy another one, so I'll just manage what I have. So I'm just marking out the measurement. I have 26 inches. That will be enough, but the lining is short. After cutting, look, this is what it looks. So I'll hem the lining now. I'll place it right side facing each other, then I will sew. So I realized it should be wrong side facing each other. So this is what I did. I hem the sides like this, both sides. Then the waist area, I just sew it like that. Then I hem the bottom for both the lining and the main skirt. So this is what I have. So work on the band now. I've ironed ST on the band. It's 6 inches in width, then 110 in length. So this is what I have. I find the midpoint and I will notch. After notching, I will notch the midpoint of the skirt as well. Yeah, it's 48 inches. So I'll mark the midpoint and I'll place it like so. Right side of the band, then the right side of the inside. That is the wrong side of the skirt. So I'll pin. So after sewing, that is what I have. So I'll hold it like so, and I'll sew up to that end. Yes, where the skirt starts. I'll cut the remaining around it up. So I'll open it now. I'll turn it over. Sorry, I'll turn the belt like so. So I did the same on the other belt. So I iron the half inch, then I'll top stitch like this, just as you see me doing. I've top stitched it now. This is how it looks. The inside and the outside are neat because I've ironed it neatly. This is how it looks. Skirt is finished. So at this point, I'm just trying the skirt and I noticed the lining is showing out, so I have to tuck it in. Then for this other area, the belt should pass inside, should pass here so that it can rest well. So I measured 15 inches from where the skirt starts. I measured 15 inches. So on that 15 inches, I will open it like this. Open it, give it a cut to open. Then I'll sew bias there. That's where the other belt should pass, that it can rest well. So after sewing the bias, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.